Ever heard the line, play chess, not checkers? If not, well, now you have. It is all about you as a chess master in this world of business, mastering the game, thinking multiple moves ahead, and outsmarting your opponents with strategy and finesse. When you play chess, you're not just playing, you're outwitting, outmaneuvering, and staying a step ahead in the most brilliant way possible. In the business world, they call it trading. Welcome to Financial Literacy. Here, we are dedicated and passionate about bringing you nothing but honest and straightforward facts about your money. We will help you take control of your finances and get you to the next level. Beginners or experienced, this is your one-stop shop for all things financial literacy. Hold on to your horses, for this is an exciting video we're about to see. We are going to dive into options trading with this beginner's guide, where you will learn how to make smart moves in the market just like a chess master. When we talk about trading, we can't ignore options. Yes, options, options, and more options. These powerful tools can elevate your trading game to new heights. Sure, they come with their share of risks and complexities. But isn't that what makes the game thrilling? Think of options as your game pieces, allowing you to strategically speculate on the price of assets without owning them. In the business world, options are agreements between two investors that let you bet on the price of an asset without actually owning it. And you may ask, how? Well, it is all about using your moves to outmaneuver the competition and potentially win big by predicting market trends with precision. And we are going to show you how you are going to be a master of this trading game like a real businessman. Embracing the adrenaline of the challenge would make you savor the sweet success in no time. Can you taste it yet? I bet you do. Let us have Apple enthusiast and skeptic as a perfect example of this. The Apple enthusiast believes that Apple stock will rise, and the skeptic, as the name implies, believe that it will fall. They will then enter into an options contract where the enthusiast has the right to buy Apple shares at a set price or exercise price within a certain time frame. These two agree on an exercise price of $150. The Apple enthusiast buys a call option, giving them the right to buy Apple shares at $150 after 6 months. If Apple's stock price climbs to $180 after 6 months, the Apple enthusiast profits by buying the stock at $150 and selling it at the current market price of $180, gaining $30 per share. On the flip side, if Apple's stock drops below $150, the Apple skeptic benefits from keeping the premium paid by the enthusiast, as the option likely won't be exercised. If Apple's price goes up, the enthusiast can buy at the lower agreed price and profit from selling at the higher market price. If the price falls, the enthusiast can choose not to buy, only losing the premium paid for the option. Meanwhile, the skeptic earns from the premium received, regardless of the stock's movement. Risky, isn't it? Now, you might be scratching your head wondering, what on earth is an options premium? And where did that even come from? Don't stress, we've got you covered. An options premium is the price you pay to buy an options contract. It's like a non-refundable fee that secures your right to buy or sell an asset at a specific price in the future. In the thrilling game of chess, the options premium is like paying to keep a brilliant move up your sleeve, ready to unleash at the perfect moment. It gives you the power to strike when the board or market is in your favor, without being cornered into a bad move if things don't go your way. It is your secret weapon for turning the tide in your favor. Adrenaline rush, remember? So, let us dive into the factors that impact options premium, which can be a game changer in the business chess match. First up is intrinsic value. Imagine it as the cash in your pocket. Intrinsic value is like having a chess piece right near a checkmate. The closer you are to that winning position or target price, the more valuable your move or option becomes. Next is time value. Just like having more time on the clock gives you more chances to win, a longer time until the option expires makes it more valuable, because you have more opportunities for the market to move in your favor. Tick-tock, tick-tock. Last but not least, implied volatility. If the game is unpredictable and full of potential twists like how it should be, the value of your strategic pieces or options goes up, because there's a greater chance they could lead to a big win or save you from a loss. a win-win type situation. In the Apple enthusiast and skeptic example, we revealed some exciting option strategies. Told you, options are a game changer. The call option lets you grab stocks at a fixed price, while the put option lets you sell them at a set price if you think they will drop. And when it comes to the chess game of options trading, think of risk and reward like the stakes of a high-stakes match. Option buyers are like players with a powerful strategy. While their potential gains are limitless, their losses are limited to just the piece they've sacrificed, the premium paid. On the other side, option sellers are like those betting on a risky gambit. While their potential losses could be vast, their winnings are capped at the value of the piece they've received, the premium. And if you're smart enough, which I believe you are, smart traders play it safe by never risking more than 2% of their capital on a single trade. They start small, honing their skills and gradually building confidence. Just like a chess player carefully protecting their king while planning their next move. In the chess-like world of trading, success comes from reading the board, understanding the movement of your assets. What does it mean? This means analyzing charts to see the patterns, using data to predict your opponent's next move, and gauging sentiment to understand the mood of the market. Just like being in the game, you need to anticipate and strategize based on what you see to make winning moves. Like when you're deep into a chess match and a single, seemingly minor move suddenly shifts the entire game in your favor. That's exactly what happens with options trading. You have to make sure everything is in your favor. A tiny change in the underlying price can cause the option premium to swing dramatically. It's the power of leverage at play, where even the smallest market movement can lead to a big win, or a surprising twist in your trading strategy. Every move counts. And with leverage, those moves can pack an even bigger punch. These strategies and leverage you apply matters, making it essential to understand why a strong trading system is so important. On the chessboard of options trading, a solid strategy is your key to victory. Just like in chess, where every move is calculated, a consistent and systematic approach is vital for success. It's about sticking to your plan, carefully analyzing each move, and executing with precision to outmaneuver the market and reach your goals. And there you have it, options trading in a nutshell. Just like in chess, where every move and strategy can lead to victory, mastering options trading requires practice, precision, and smart risk management. And if I just may add, think of options trading like a grand chess tournament. Success comes from relentless practice and savvy risk management. Practice, and more practice. With dedication and a strategic mindset, you will transform your trading skills and emerge as a champion, turning every move into a winning play. Keep honing your craft, manage your risks smartly, and watch yourself climb to new heights of success. If you found this guide helpful and exciting, don't forget to hit that like button, leave a comment with your thoughts, and subscribe for more insightful financial literacy videos. Stay tuned for our upcoming content where we will dive deeper into the world of finance, helping you sharpen your trading skills and win big in the market. Keep strategizing and see you next time!